Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching my new vlog. It's a pretty annoying morning for me. Tired of everything, but I gotta push through. Gotta keep going. I gotta film some stuff for the vlog, for this video. Driving to work now. It's Monday, 7 a.m. June 13th, and it's like 90% humidity, and it's only 12 degrees right now, but I think it's gonna be a humid, probably hot day. That's what's up, pretty much. That's how the road looks like right now. My day is still going well. It's 9:28 already. I had a little bit of time to read because I had a break, and I was able to finish the book that I was reading. It's called Crushing It by Gary Vee. Amazing book. I would suggest it to anyone who wants to be an entrepreneur, start or work on any business, and if you want to be in social media. But as I learned from the book, and it's obvious, and it should be obvious I think for everyone, in today's world business pretty much equals social media, because how else is it going to be marketed? How else are people going to find out about you, and how else are you going to communicate with your customers? Some food for thought. That's my 6th book for this year, so I have 6 more to go because I have challenged myself to do 12 this year. Let's see how that's going to turn out. There are only 2 seasons in Canada: winter and construction season. While I was driving, I saw a lot of construction already on many roads. So you have to go to the left lane, especially if it's a 1-lane street. So you have to go on the opposite lane, and you have to wait for the people, and they have to let you through, or you have to let them through. And yeah, it's either snow and ice or construction and traffic. Well, it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check out my other socials. My name is Alexei. This was Driving Approach, and see you in the next video.